Well, good morning everybody. It's another beautiful day here in Austin, Texas. I forgot my gloves and it's pretty cold outside, so I can't really feel my hands that well.
They're numb.
But the reason I came downtown is to get some really good hyperlapses, mainly because that's one of the ways that I make money as a drone videographer. And so in today's video, I really want to talk to you about 3 ways that in 2022, I made money with drones. And one of them is selling my stock videos. Now, whether it's through Instagram or YouTube, I like to have my videos online for people to see. And either through Instagram or YouTube, usually a lot of people contact me in purchasing my drone videography. So that's one reason I like to come down here so often, because I can get updated footage that not many other people have. So the more that you put your videos into social media, the quicker that you may get started in your drone videography business. All right, so I had to come back inside because being born and raised in Texas means anything under 70 degrees is freezing cold. And I think this morning it was in the 40s. Now, a second way that I started making money in 2022 through drones has been by doing drone videography for real estate agents. Now, a few months ago, a friend of mine, John Lofquist, and I combined forces and started High Society Creatives, which is a luxury real estate videography company here in Austin, Texas. Now, what we offer our clients is anything from videos for their websites, photos for their websites, and reels for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, anything you name it. Now, it doesn't matter where you live. I'm pretty positive that anyone could use the services of a drone videographer. And the reason I say that is because you could be scoping land for like farmers and people who are looking to build on land. Yesterday we had an issue with none of our drones working, and I forgot the remote control to my drone, which never happens. This is about 60 acres. So I was afraid to use my phone as a remote control because I didn't want the reception to fall out. So we're about to get the drones up in the air. We've got the Avata, the Mavic 3, and the Mavic Air 2S. As many of you know, that's my favorite drone of all time. So we're gonna go and get this footage up. You guys will see what it looks like now. You could be going to local businesses and local companies to try to get drone footage of their business, of their storefront, or whatever it is. And of course, like I said before, real estate is another big one.
High Society Creatives out here with Brooke Mazursky at her newest listing. I think it's coming soon. 15300, so 15300 Coalmire in Lakeway. I think the lake is over there.
Hey guys, I'm Brooke Mazursky with Compass Real Estate. I'm out here in Lakeway to show you around my new listing at 15300 Coalmire Drive. This home has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths. It has over 6,100 square feet, 4 living rooms, a saltwater pool, and over 3 acres of land. It's a beautiful property. I'm really excited to show it to you.
So make sure to follow the High Society YouTube page and subscribe, because we're gonna have more tutorials and how-to videos on creating dope content in real estate for social media. Now, another way that I was able to bring money in through my drone in 2022 was by doing these like art markets. So here in Austin, we have these little farmers markets, anything from paintings to photos to skincare. There's people selling like toys and knitting animals and all that kind of stuff. So these art markets are such a good way of, one, getting your name out there and getting your brand out there, because you know, you have a little booth, you know, you can have your cards, your photos and everything set up. What is up, people? Well, I am at our booth at our very first farmers market. So a few weeks ago, my wife and I were talking about doing a farmers market here in Austin. So we reached out to one of the farmers markets that goes on, and we ended up, you know, doing it. We're sending a lot of my photos, which is something I've never really done before. So this is a first for us. So right here we have one of our metal prints of the Capitol. Here's another one of our metal prints. This is of the skyline at night. We also got some canvases. And then we have a little setup where you can choose individual photos. We put the iPad on display so you can see more of the artwork. So just in case we sell out, we have something on display that people can see my artwork and maybe even order. We ended up getting the Zelle and Venmo QR codes put on here, just in case people just want to scan and pay. And then we got this from Amazon as well, where you could display more of your photos. Another good reason of being a part of these art markets is because you get to network with different people and you get to meet different people. So even though you may not be selling your work, you're more than likely going to meet people who need your services. Like in both of the markets that I did this year, I was able to hand out, you know, a handful of cards to different people who were home builders or that needed work in their land with drones or wanted some sort of drone photography. What is up, everybody? Well, we are at another farmer's market. We did pretty good on the first one, so we decided to do a second one. And this one seems a little bit more legit, a lot more fun with a lot more stuff going on. So we are in downtown Austin, right across from Texas Coffee Traders. And we're pretty much finished set up. Still a little early. It's about to be 10 o'clock. The event doesn't start until 11. I'm pretty sure people are going to be coming out to enjoy the festivities. We're gonna have live music, drinks. It's gonna be really fun, very exciting. And for me, another good reason of doing these is because you get to see in real time what people think of your work, right? Like when it's social media, Instagram, YouTube, whatever platform you're using, you don't really know what your audience looks like. You don't know how your audience engages with your work. But when you're doing these markets, you're able to see what really does captivate people the most. It was almost like a live Instagram feed where people are going through my photos, checking it out, and I get to see in real time what their responses are. And that's something that you can't really see through social media. Again, I think before you start doing all of this, one, you got to get your license, you got to get your drone registered and all of that. But once you got that all squared away, I think it'd be easy for you to start making money through drone videography and drone photography. If there's anything else that you guys want to learn, whether it's running a business as a freelancer or our pricing or even how I get clients, make sure to comment that below. Or even what's your biggest struggle right now as a videographer or photographer? Is it being inspired? Is it you want to start doing the freelance, but you don't know how to start, you don't know where to go? Whatever you're struggling with or whatever you need help with as a freelancer, drone photographer, drone videographer, or even a videographer, content creator, comment below what your biggest struggle is right now so that I can start making videos and content around this, because I really want to dedicate this year to teaching and to helping everyone out there who was in my shoes a couple of years ago do the very things that I'm doing now. I've had so much fun in 2022 growing as a business owner and being able to become who I am. I do feel like I've made such a large progress to where maybe I'm able to help other people in the very things that I struggled before in the past. So whatever you're struggling with, whatever you need help with, make sure to comment that below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out.